Hello friends, I am Pragati. As some of you know me by my name Sairandri Butala. I am a certified brain mapping counselor with Get Set Go World, and today I would like to share my short journey of how I became a counselor, now a franchisee with the GSG. It was like over a year ago when I received an invitation for the 7 days ISO certified e-certificate course in social media mastery in one of our WhatsApp groups. Me and my sister, we both joined the course, and on the 7th day we were given the opportunity to join the company as an EDP. My sister immediately joined, but I joined one day later since I had to make arrangement for the money. And guess what? I had to pay double the prices. But somehow I managed and got in. And then from August 29, 2020, I started my association with GSG. I found out that after attending the sessions, the workshops, the courses, that there was so much of learning, so much of sharing, so much of knowledge, so much of training, that although I paid double the money, I got 100 times the return for that money. Through my connection with the Get Set Go World, and after attending the sessions, I got to know about many different income opportunities with the Get Set Go World. And so in the month of April 2021, although I had financial difficulties, I took the risk, because for success sometimes you have to take risk, and that's what I did. I took the risk, I stretched myself financially and upgraded myself to becoming a counselor. I didn't know at that time how I'm going to pay for all this, but I still had the belief with the company, because the way the company was growing, the way the things were unfolding, that really made me realize that this is the company I would like to go ahead with. So after becoming and upgrading myself to becoming a counselor, for first couple of months, I studied a lot about counseling. I attended all the sessions, all the practice sessions. I watched all the videos provided on the company dashboard. I completed and submitted my assignment and got myself certified as a brain mapping counselor from the company. I really started getting the clients from the month of August 2021, when Sanjay sir decided to take the counseling sessions every Saturday to close counseling for us. And since August 2021, there is no looking back. Just in last 4 months, from August 2021 till today, which is the 3rd December 2021, I have made over 70,000 rupees. And let me mention here that in the month of October, I even upgraded myself to becoming a franchisee with GSG. All through my journey, I have really enjoyed the Get Set Go World company to the maximum. I would like to tell you, if you are someone like me who is looking for income opportunity, who have joined the social media mastery course, and if and when the opportunity is presented to you, my advice to you would be just go ahead and grab it, because opportunities don't knock your doors every day. With my association for almost a year now, over a year now, what I have found is the GSG, everyone is very cooperative, supportive, helpful. Everyone helps you. All the team members, even the partners, they are really very motivating, encouraging, inspiring, and helping you in every possible way. Anytime I needed any help, I would almost get the help instantly from the company. It's really an amazing platform to work with because there are a lot of opportunities, and the team here is very cooperative and very friendly. They really take care of you like a family member, and I must say it's like my family out of my own family. It's like a home away from home. So I would say that don't wait. Join the Get Set Go world today. Thank you.